My name's Jewel Bond. I'm an assistant project manager with Kent Design Build. This is Riverchase self-storage, 3-story storage facility with RV and boat auxiliary storage. So now we're gonna look at what we've got going on here so far. So this is our setup for our upcoming concrete paving pour. These are the form boards that'll make up the edge and the radius of the pour. There's dowel baskets for every control joint and also keyways and wire mesh that go throughout the paving for strength and durability throughout the life of the paving. So this will be the entry drive that you'll come through and enter through that gate. That'll be across the back side of this building, and then it'll loop around and have another entry or exit on the north side of the site. So walk with me inside and we'll take a look at the storage structure's pre-engineered metal framing system. It's a heavy gauge steel framing system that actually racks together to distribute the weight of the entire building across each of these columns for all 3 stories of the building. And when we go to frame the second floor, it'll actually receive in the top channel the next story of framing that'll sit right inside, and then we'll go to the second and third story as well. The building has 2 CMU stairwells for each floor for the 3-story building, and 1 CMU elevator tower. That's a double cab elevator tower in the center of the building. So at the beginning of this project, we experienced an unseasonal amount of rain. It rained pretty much 25 days out of the 30 days in the month for 2 months straight. So that was the biggest challenge of getting the job started. And we've had really good weather of late so that we've been able to make a lot of progress on the CMU and the concrete slab. So this level will have about 2 more weeks worth of work of standing up these steel columns, and then each column will get a steel header that runs across the top. Then the decking will be put in so that we can pour the concrete deck above that. The paving wraps around 3 sides of this building, and then out here is the building A, B, and C, which will be our auxiliary buildings for the RV and boat storage. We accepted all material early to mitigate the issue of long lead times, so all the material you see here in both of these areas will go into the main building. Thank you again for joining me on the tour of Riverchase Self-Storage here in Covington, Louisiana. Again, I'm Jewel Bond with Kent Design Build.